Hey guys, and welcome to Project Bachata instructional videos. This is a place to be to learn everything about bachata, starting off with the basics. Now these videos will be provided both in English and Spanish, so if you prefer to watch these instructions in Spanish, please click the link below. Remember that sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed these videos, share the love by clicking the like button and sharing the video below. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to Project Bachata. I'm El Flaco, and with me we have Daniela, and we are here to teach you how to do the left and right turns. If you haven't already done so, please make sure that you watch the side-to-side basics, as we have already covered the fundamentals there. So let's get started. Let's get started with the right turn, but before we do so, let's go ahead and do a half a basic. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now to begin our right turn, what we are going to do is that we are going to open up in that direction. Okay? The one thing that we don't want to do is step directly to your side and turn. What you want to do is open up. This gives you a head start. Number one. Number two, you want to make sure that as you're looking in this direction, you're not bumping into anybody. And number three, as we are doing our turns, we are spotting. So when we start off, we look in this direction. To complete our turns, what we're going to do is that we're going to walk around. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that one more time with a half a basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. One more time. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this to the left. Same concept. In this case, we are going to open to the left. Let's go ahead and go straight into it. 1, 2, 3, tap. Let's do another one. 5, 6, 7, tap. Open up. Tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this in the other direction. We're going to go and start off doing right turns, starting off with a half a basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Another. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. All right, now let's demonstrate this to the left with 2 turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Open up. Tap. 5, 6, 7, tap.
Perfect. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this with the partner. We're going to start off by turning the follows. So, half a basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. What I'm doing right here is that I am prepping her and I'm opening her up to let her know that a turn is coming. So, leads, right hand down, left hand up. As you can see right here, we are palm to palm. As I turn her, it's going to turn into what we call a pizza hold. Okay? So 2 things to pay attention to. One is the hand up here, and the other one is that I'm going to track her with this hand down here so that she doesn't over-rotate. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's demonstrate that, but I'm going to stop in the middle of it so you guys see where we're at. 1, 2, 3, 4, palm to palm. 5, 6. There's 2 things that I'm doing right here. She's got the pizza hold on me. And then from this point, I'm going to track her with this hand. 7, 8. And we're back to where we're at. So let's do this 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this from the other side. So we're going to do a left turn. 5, 6, a right turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap.